Good morning guys, today we've got here Google Pixel 10 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So, first of all, open your phone gallery, then enroll contacts, choose the one that you want to add this profile picture to and select edit at the top of the list. Here you can create a poster and also profile picture. Let's do both, starting with contact photo. You can open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can open your gallery, your Google Photos. You can create monogram or choose one from illustrations, whatever you prefer. But let me go with one from my gallery photos. For example, this one. Then you can rotate it and customize it however you like. Tap on choose then, and you can mark save. And now we've got the contact photo. However, if you wish to customize poster as well, just mark it here, then choose the photo the same way, either from Google Photos, from gallery, however you like. Here you can place it however you think it's best for this contact. Then you can change the caption. So let me pick this one. Okay, one more time, as you can see, I skipped it. Oops, this way, and then mark done. Confirm and crop. Tap on save, and that's it. As you can see now, you have both contact photo and also the poster, the one that you see on the whole home screen once someone is calling you. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.